Hey, Westy Window Wagon, new products from WCR. Today I am going to talk with you about the Cleano system from IPC Eagle. We're going to start out with unboxing it, the way it arrives. The Cleano system actually comes in different sizes: 2 feet, 5 feet, 10 feet, 25 feet, and 35 feet. It's an indoor pure water window cleaning system designed for hard to reach windows on the inside. Perfect tool for those windows that you can't access with ladders or lifts, or that are inside and you don't want to climb ladders. The up to 10 feet, it comes in aluminum. Once you go above aluminum, 25 and 35 feet, actually comes in carbon fiber. That's the one we're going to talk about unboxing today. It's a little bit different than your aluminum poles. So let's start out with, your package will arrive in 2 parts. You'll get the head, and then as you can see, the pole will actually come. This is a 25-foot pole. It'll come in a tube. The first thing you want to do is unbox the head. Inside, you are going to receive the manual, which, I'll be honest with you, it's in like 5 different languages, and it's not very user-friendly in my opinion, but that's what you get. So it does have all the information, instructions, everything you need. You're also going to get 3 of what they call the green pads. I love these things. They're perfect for touch up, for cleaning. They just do a great job in my opinion. They have the Velcro attachment on the back. It attaches to the head. The next thing you're going to get is what they call the globe. This is where your pure water goes. Personally, I prefer half pure water, half rubbing alcohol. Seems to work really good. Combination. You can just fill it with pure distilled water or pure water from your RODI or your DI system. This just snaps in the bottom. And then you have the head. The head's going to come packed like this. You can see it easily pivots. It does have an adjustment here to adjust the angle of the head up and down. And these are Euro threads. So it screws to the top of the pole. This is the internal tube that is designed for the spray over the top. You have a spray over the top of the pad. That's how it works. But this is what's going to come in your one of your boxes. Next, we'll get into the pole and unpacking the pole.